Hey guys, it's Nick from F450LEDs.com. Today we're here in our 2023 Super Duty truck, literally, to show you how to swap out those dim, dingy cargo lights and third brake light with our ultra bright, ultra white LED replacement bulbs. They're extremely easy to replace and they make a dramatic difference, not only in the aesthetics and how they look much better, but they light up the cargo area so much better that it makes it much easier to use and much more productive. Plus that red brake light is going to be a lot brighter, so that's going to make you and your family as well as other traffic safer when you hit that brake. Alright, so let's get into the install. First thing we need to do is remove these 4 bolts here, and we're going to be using a size 7 socket to do that, or you can use a Torx 20 wrench or even a flathead if that's all you have available. Once these 4 bolts are removed, really technically screws, you'll be able to remove this assembly directly from the truck. And that's going to expose our 3 bulb sockets. With a counterclockwise turn, it will unlock from the housing and we'll be able to pull out, our factory bulb. Try not to drop it like that. We'll keep working our way across the panel. So. And then you'll be able to grab from the base so as not to drop it like I did that first one. And once those bulbs are removed, we'll be able to take our high-powered LEDs and then reinsert them right back in place. You'll notice our thick wedge base. That's to prevent any damage from vibration. Make sure the bulb is firmly seated. And then we'll be able to reinstall it just the opposite of how we took the bulb out. So you'll line up these notches. So you can see it on camera like that. And then a clockwise turn locks it in place. And one thing you'll want to do before you fully reinstall this housing is turn your lights on. If they do not light, the bulbs will need to be flipped 180 degrees because they are polar sensitive. We've already aligned ours. So now we'll be able to go ahead and put our unit back into place and then reinstall our 4 screws and we'll be done. So that's all there is to making a big upgrade to your cargo area lighting, as well as making that third brake light much brighter and safer. We highly recommend the upgrade. You can check it out today at F450LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your 2023 and up Super Duty truck. We truly appreciate your support. We can't wait to serve you, and we look forward to seeing you at F450LEDs.com soon. Thanks guys.